Yummy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a delicious caramel apple cheesecake. With just a few ingredients, let's get started. To a bowl, add some crushed graham crackers, melted butter, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and mix until combined. Pour your graham cracker mixture into a prepared tin and flatten to form the base of your cheesecake. Bake for 5 minutes. Beat softened cream cheese on medium-low speed for about a minute. To your mixture, add sugar, eggs, vanilla, cinnamon, and mix until combined. Add some dulce de leche and beat for an additional minute. Go ahead and pour your mixture over the crust and place the wrapped cheesecake onto a baking dish, adding about 2 inches of water to the tin. Bake for an hour and 30 minutes. Add some chopped apples to a pot with water, sugar, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. In a separate bowl, add some heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla and beat until light and fluffy. Pipe your desired decorations on top. Add in your spiced apples on top. And drizzle some melted caramel sauce over the top. And there you have it, a simple caramel apple cheesecake recipe. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comments below if this is a recipe you would try. Thanks for watching.
Yummy.